Welcome back to Chrissy's channel. This is my 22. This is my 22 blog. Today's video is all about me. So, today, I already saw you all my puppet. Tonight, I get to own something, and tomorrow I get to wear my black flower dress. And if it rains tomorrow, I get to bring Lily. But Baba already have a backup start for my backup start. If I can't wear my flower dress tomorrow from the cold, stuck in the middle T-shirt. And little Baba got to yell at Lily, because Lily was on the porch. So my puppet bag is on Baba's. My puppet bag. Oh, Baba transfer my puppet to my puppet bag because my puppet box was getting heavy. So the only thing left is my blue puppet light up, my yellow puppet light up, my bracelet, Grandma's Valentine's Day, and I got to watch Christmas Magic. My mom got to hear me sing, and Baba got to hear me sing Christmas Magic. And tonight, me and Grandma's gonna watch Christmas Melody, Christmas Connection, Evergreen, Christmas Magic, and Company. Bring my Subway sandwich back. And happy Thanksgiving. The reason I say happy Thanksgiving is Thursday I'm gonna be with my mom. Thursday is Mommy's day on Thanksgiving Day, and Bubba's going to Tina's house. And the plan on Thanksgiving on Thursday is my writing lesson. We'll probably go to Panda and then go home, and me and my mom's going to watch Crafty Girls, and I will check if J. Crew made a new video to see if Mom can. And J. Crew, you still haven't made the DNA test. I'm still waiting, but I'm doing pretty good without watching any J. Crew, and I'm still checking on J. Crew if they still make J. Crew. And the plan on Thursday, and Mommy's trailer is watching Crafty Girls, Family Diamond, check to see if J. Crew made a Thanksgiving, and I still have J. Crew poster, Just a Magic, and I finally finished Nicole's butterfly poster, so I'm going to give Nicole a surprise. And then tonight, me and my grandma's gonna watch Christmas Melody, Christmas Magic, because I got to watch Christmas Magic for the first time by myself. And Bubba's on the bed. Bubba got to go to Walmart. Usually Bubba goes to Walmart tomorrow, but tomorrow is tomorrow is Nicole's day, Buddy's day. Tonight we're having pizza and soda. And today we're having macaroni. And I offer my mom, today's mom has to do blood work. Go to either Dollar Tree, Lulu inside. Bubba wants Lulu in the wire. I still have my drawing board, and I have my puppet bag, and I play with and I bring my puppet bag every night when me and Grandma watch Christmas Melody, Christmas Magic, Christmas Connection, and tomorrow me and Nicole's gonna try and make cookie, so I can have cookie tomorrow night when they have pumpkin pie. I hope Nicole's not going to see this on YouTube because I have a surprise that I made a butterfly poster for tomorrow. And Nicole, I've been really good, not smacking myself. And Lulu actually let me watch Stuck in the Middle. And Stuck in the Middle yesterday was about camping. And Lulu, when I was watching Stuck in the Middle, Lulu wanted to go outside, and I said, "Hold your horses. Me and my mom's watching Stuck in the Middle. You can walk yourself." And Sissy is limping, but she's going to be okay for tomorrow. I don't want nothing to Batman. I got to show my mom Batman on the laptop, and I got to show my mom the Gummy Bear song. And tonight I get to own a puppet, and tomorrow I get to wear my flower dress. And if it rains, I get to blame it on Lulu. And then Bubba has a backup stuck in the middle t-shirt just in case it rains. And tomorrow is Nicole's day. I get to show Nicole all my puppet in my bag, and I still have my puppet bag in Grandma's room. But someday I will show you when Bubba's in a good mood. Everything's back to normal. Yesterday I got to wear Jenna's flower dress. I got to talk to Jenna Card. I got to talk to Jenna, and Jenna didn't even mention smoking, but she did tell me when she sees me next week after Thanksgiving, she's going to steal my puppet. So I'm going to keep my puppet here so Jenna won't steal it. And then yesterday, and I did a lot of DIY poster yesterday. Me and my mom watched a lot of Crafty Girls. We got to watch Stuck in the Middle. And then Thursday, me and my mom's going to watch Family Diamond, Crafty Girls. And I get to watch with Grandma. I get to watch on Thanksgiving Day on Thursday. Christmas Melody, Christmas Connection, and Christmas Magic on Thanksgiving Day. And my birthday's coming up. And then Christmas is December 25th. And Sunday I get to spend the day I get to spend the day with Bubba Saturday, half a day at Bubba Sunday. And then I get to go I'll get to go with my mom and Alex to Valerie and Salo, and then I get to tell Valerie and Salo they poked me 3 times. Then Sunday night I get to watch my movie. Every night me and Grandma gets to watch Christmas movies. And I get to cuddle with my grandma. Me and Grandma always watch Christmas movies, especially Christmas Melody. And then after Christmas Melody, we get to watch Christmas Connection. And then I said, it's time for bed, because we sometimes stay up until 12:30. And last night, when we were watching Christmas Melody, Grandma and I had a banana, but the banana was brown, so Grandma is going to make banana muffin for my birthday. I prefer having blueberry muffin, Grandma. Bubba still wants to do a mohawk on the blog. I still have my J. Crew poster and my Just and Magic. The same poster on the refrigerator. And yesterday I got to watch Try Not to Eat challenge with my mom first time, and forever I watched Trinity Challenge before I got to watch with my mom, Bubba. Then last night I got to watch Trinity with Bubba, and I got to watch Home Alone 2 with Bubba last night. And me and Bubba was laughing when the bad guy. And tonight's movie is, I don't know. There's so much movie. Then tomorrow, Thursday, I'm gonna try and watch the babysitting adventure with my mom on Thursday since it's Thanksgiving. And Thanksgiving Day, Bubba's going to Tina's house to eat dinner. Thursday night, since Bubba's gonna be gone for dinner, we'll probably just have Panda Express on Thursday night if it's open. And then tonight we're having pizza and soda. I get to watch my favorite movie with Grandma and I. And Bubba got me orange juice, and Bubba got apple because I feel bad for the horse. He has to work on Thanksgiving Day on Thursday. And I get to spend the day with my mom on Friday to watch Crafty Girls, Family Diamond, and check to see if J. Crew made a new video. I never watch Crafty Girls on Friday because Friday is usually Bubba's Day, and Friday is usually when I'm blogging. That's why I'm blogging now. So, happy Tuesday, happy Thursday, happy Friday, and happy Monday. And Sunday, I will blog, but my mom will probably have to pick me up around. If I blog on Sunday around lunchtime, I probably have to make a short blog because usually Valerie and Sarah usually does Thanksgiving dinner. I get to tell them they plugged me 3 times. This is my that Jenna got me. And I still have my mermaid puppet. I still have all my puppet. I still bring my puppet collection at night to watch my Christmas melody at nighttime. And Grandma still hasn't washed my snowflake socks. And last night when me and Grandma watched Christmas Melody, the movie, Grandma heard a weird sound in the washing machine. So Grandma had to check. Then after me and Grandma watched Christmas Melody, we got to watch Christmas Connection. And then I got to cuddle with Grandma for And then this morning, I got to watch Christmas Magic. Tonight, me and Grandma's going to watch Christmas Melody, Christmas Connection, Evergreen the movie. We're probably going to have a snack. Try and have a snack. It's the banana got Mori. The banana got all like Lulu. I still have my magnets. I play with Bubba. Thursday's Thanksgiving Day. And Saturday I get to blog. Usually I'm not here. I'm usually with my mom. But we gonna switch days because Bubba's gonna be with his friend and Smack. I hope you get better soon so you and I and Johnny can play against hope you get better so I can play with the race car against you and Smack. And Thursday, me and Grandma's gonna watch a lot of Christmas movies on Thanksgiving Day on Thursday. Bubba's still looking for a video game for today, but Bubba told me I can play the same game he played with Johnny and Smack the same day. I was laughing. And I got to watch Santa Claus. And last night when Grandma was in the bathroom, I was trying. Oh, company put Hope for the Holiday on homework. That's me and Grandma's favorite movie besides Christmas Melody and Christmas Connection. And bring back Drinks the movie. It's the best movie ever. And bring back Subway Sandwich. Because I'm craving Subway Sandwich. That's why. I have the flower dress. Finally I get to wear my black flower dress for Nicole tomorrow. And finally I get to show you on YouTube my flower dress. And Lily. And every day, once in a while, I get to have my cranberry juice. I'll drink that after my blog. I don't want to blog and drink. My mommy's going to a blood test, going to eat at Dollar Tree. But that's okay. I don't need to go to Dollar Tree. I still have my drawing, but this is my 22 blogger. Still have my Jess and Magic. I still have my Manners. Bubba's playing. Today for lunch we're having macaroni and cheese. And I get to watch Stuck in the Middle when I'm watching when I'm eating macaroni. And my birthday, I get to spend the day with Nicole. I get to watch Christmas Melody on my birthday. My Christmas Connection on my birthday, Christmas Magic. I get to spend the day with Nicole on my birthday. I get to have pizza for dinner on my birthday. I'm going to have a fun day with Grandma, Papa, Mom, Bubba on my birthday. And my birthday wish is for Lulu not to be on my birthday. And my birthday theme is Christmas Puppet Christmas Melody birthday theme. And I still have my nail polish, crib nail polish. And next week, right before Christmas Day, I get to have red polish glitter. That's when I will show you on YouTube. This is my 22 blogger. And I think my anniversary blogger is coming up. So I'll do something special like show you all you guys on YouTube Puppet. And yesterday I got to watch Crafty Girls, a new episode. Crafty Girls got to tell us about their dad. I got to watch the full Toy Library popular video. Then after that, I got to watch Crafty Girls, and then I got to watch Stuck in the Middle. And Thursday, Company make season 3 for Coop and Cammy. And my birthday's coming up. My birthday's coming back. That means I get to spend the day with Nicole, and I get to vlog on my birthday at the Nicole's day. Actually, my birthday's gonna be different because Grandma usually have something fun to do for my birthday. So I write a blog on my birthday. That's why, because Grandma and I always have fun on my birthday, because I don't want to spend my day with Bubba on my birthday. because I'll be with Nicole on my birthday. And my birthday's always pizza. And I get to watch Christmas Melody on my birthday. And Nicole's coming on my birthday. And I don't know if I am going to get present or not because I still have all the puppet in the box. I still have the Pokemon card. The number one birthday I really want is Christmas Melody on the DVD because it has commercial. So whenever I want to watch Christmas Melody, I can watch it on the DVD. I'm going to be 29 years old. Bubba said he's going to give me a walker and a cane. And I still have my puppet. But Bubba transformed my puppet into a puppet bag, and it's much, much easier to back. So now my puppet box is on the refrigerator. My Pokemon card is in the set. My flower dress, I get to wear it tomorrow. I still have my stack in the middle. And I still have 7 Heaven, Little House on the Prairie, Bewitched, Law and Order, 7 Heaven, and I Love Lucy. But my top favorite movie on the DVD is Christmas Melody, Christmas Magic, and Christmas Connection. So Grandma, every time my movie tape, like when Christmas Melody first taped, she put it on keep. And Casper still has it. Bring back my pink noodle puppets. And Casper is still on the naughty list. Tonight we get to have pizza and soda. Every night when we're eating, we get to talk, but I'm getting better without talking, and I'm getting better sticking with the topic. And Alex gets to play. Alex have game night every night with Grandma, and I get to have a movie night with Bubba. And I get to have a YouTube night with Bubba. Bubba's the best babysitter ever. Sometimes Bubba embarrasses me at dinner time. And yes, last night I had water and Bubba did something funny and I got... And I did a lot of DIY poster. And my mom has the DIY poster on her wall. And I welcome Mom to the neighborhood. And Alex is still living in the trailer. Alex still has my picture frame. And I still have my J. Crew poster, my Just and Magic. And I still have my... And that's my 22 blogger. And I get to spend the day with Nicole on my birthday. I get to spend my birthday blogging on YouTube. And I get to have fun with Grandma. I get to watch my favorite movie on my birthday. I get to spend the day with Nicole. And before I end the video, I promise you guys, my my magnets. I still have my magnets because I saw all you guys on YouTube pop it and stuff for my Rubik's cubes. But on my birthday, I promised on YouTube that I will show my flower dress and my puppet collection. All my puppet collection on my birthday. This is my magnets. I play when Bubba plays with his best friend. But today he's probably because he prefer spend the day with me. We get to watch Fun Up to Touch challenge. I get to have lunch at Bubba's. I get to watch Stuck in the Middle. And I get to design all my magnets. But I don't have all the magnets in the box because it's supposed to have triangle, square, triangle, rectangle, and the square and the swing set. They scanned me. You get to make design like cars. Sometimes when I'm really good, Bubba plays with my magnets and my puppet collection. My favorite puppet in the bag is Apple Puppet, and I play it every day when Bubba plays. I play with my Apple Puppet every day when he plays video game. Watch YouTube. This is my magnet. You get to design it.
Bill. Cool. Nope.
Hi, Papa.
Hi.
I'm on YouTube.
Okay, you be good.
I will. And that's my Papa. You got to hear Papa. Maybe I can convince Papa to come in the house and introduce. Maybe someday I get to introduce you for real. Papa sometimes. Yeah, but you got to hear about Papa. I'll convince Papa on my birthday to introduce you. Papa's camera side, but you got to hear Papa. Papa's my Papa. He lives in the house. This is my blue magnets. You just heard Papa, but someday Papa will. Some part of the day he will go in the house and ask Bubba, so you probably see him on YouTube, and you see Bubba. This is my blue magnets. This is yellow magnets. This is my... And oh yeah, I got to show Papa my new puppet collection at Mom's and Chrissy, and I got to cover my cat Chrissy, and that's the last Chrissy in Mom's trailer. You got to hear Papa. Papa always asks Bubba for eggs because he gets to eat breakfast, and I had hot chocolate when I was watching Christmas Magic. Bubba's playing his racing car. He's getting better with that cursing. This is my 22 YouTube. What I do for fun at Bubba's when he's playing his video game, I play with my puppet collection. I do my drawing board, play with my magnets, I play with my puppet collection. Me and Bubba still watch YouTube. Me and Bubba still watch last to touch challenge, last to laugh challenge. Tonight, me and Bubba's gonna watch last to laugh challenge. It's the clown award, and then we're gonna watch Try Not to Touch challenge, and then me and Bubba's gonna watch a movie.